Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Kaohsiung Township in the central Taiwan County of Nantou has the highest concentration of Hakka residents in the county. The Mailing Hakka community in Nantou suffered greatly in the massive earthquake of September 21, 1999, but the community worked hard to rebuild, and the area has now become a tourist destination with a Hakka Culture Museum.
位在南投县的国姓乡是南投县各乡镇里客家人占比例最高的地区。其中北港村的梅林社区虽然遭到921地震的破坏，但他们凭着客家应景精神，努力朝产业观光迈进，并打造一座客家农村乡土文物馆，让游客更了解客家文化。Hey, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello, 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello,
大家好，我係 Joseph. And today we're going to take you to the middle of Taiwan, the county known as Nantou County. And in Nantou County, there's a very interesting town called 国姓乡。为什么叫国姓呢？
就是国姓爷，苍神公。
苍神公是
就是国姓爷。
哦，郑成功啊。哦，对，他也叫国姓爷。Okay, the town is based on a very famous general that was once stationed in Taiwan hundreds and hundreds of years ago, 郑成功, and his nickname or his other name is 国姓爷. Now I get it. Okay, so I heard like in 国姓 Township 在国姓乡呢，其实客家人的比例呢是非常非常高，好像是台湾最高的一个地方，是不是？
係啊，其實講到一個客家人的比例哦，就老外有關係，因為我媽媽也是客家人，
no kidding，
也是南投國姓人。
Oh wow, okay, so this is a very populated area by the Hakka, and Leo's family, his mom is actually from there. 那你可以给我們介紹了，請問去國姓鄉有什麼東西可以參觀？
也係有隻三級古蹟糯米橋。
糯米橋，
某個父母奶沒有水泥的時候，他們會用一些糯米粉。
No kidding. Oh, they say that when they built this bridge a long time ago, they actually put a little bit of glutinous rice, the powder of glutinous rice into the material, into the construction of it. 那這樣子牢固嗎？感覺
沒問題，沒問題。經過921都沒問題。
那邊有一個瀑布也很有名。
就叫做蒲涌水沖。
蒲涌水沖，哦，瀑布叫水沖。
對，水沖就是水這樣沖下來。
水沖的感覺。水沖 is a waterfall, so you can also visit a waterfall over there. Let's go ahead and review those terms. The 國姓 town, 國姓鄉。
國姓鄉。
國姓鄉 and then you can go visit the 糯米橋, the glutinous rice bridge.
糯米橋。
糯米橋 and then you can also visit the waterfall there, 是叫芙蓉瀑布。
蒲涌水沖。
蒲涌水沖 So that does it for today's Let's Talk About Hakka.
是我們大家。
我是謝張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.